Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to download videos on Twitter. It's pretty simple and basically it's the same thing for your mobile devices and your PC, okay? So if you're using your phone, your tablet, or any mobile device, it's perfectly fine. The process is still the same, okay? So the first thing you want to do is, of course, go to Twitter. This should be my landing page on Twitter and just search videos as a sample of how to download a video. So this is gonna be my sample video that I'm gonna download. So for example, this is the one I want, right? And for example, also you have a different video on your end, doesn't really matter. Any video is fine. So the thing you want to do is, of course, click on this reply button, and from here just type @sendvidbot, like so. It's gonna be SENDVIDBOT. Okay, this is the one that you want to type. Click on it and click on reply. Now you will only have to wait for a minute or two to have the reply or notification from Vidbot. Now as you can see here, whoops, you already said that. That's because I already tried this before, because I don't want you to wait a minute or two with me to end this video. So anyway, just type that one, and after that you'll just wait for notification for a minute or two. If you still doesn't have a notification on your end, just search up SendVidBot directly, and then from here now go to their profile and just look for replies right there. Now let's look for our name right here. Let's just look for something here. They should reply. As you can see, the last reply is June 14th. We're August now, so it will take a little bit more time, but you'll see here, as you can see right there, this guy typed SendVidBot, and then he got a reply, "Don't chill, your video is right there." Click on this one, you'll have that specific video that you want, okay? So technically that's how you get a video on Twitter, and thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Have a safe one.